Hi there, Frank here for premium members for the trading day of September the 2nd, 2025. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful long weekend here. Labor Day in North America, and the markets are going to open in just a few hours at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and then we'll be trading the fall season starting big time tomorrow morning. So let's see what we can do here. Let's start with the indexes. There's important opportunities coming up, or in progress actually. Let's start with the ES. So what do you see here? Do you agree with me? This is a strong bullish setup here. Look at these higher lows and the bottom tails and the beautiful healthy bull flag here. This is worth our attention here, and if this goes, then I think we need to aim for a 1R. Now, we're not thinking long term. Everybody's aware of the potential problems that the market might be facing in the coming weeks or months. Who knows when and what will happen? We are thinking in 1Rs all the time, just one step at a time, and this is our next step here. All right? Now, if you're on smaller charts, you can certainly use the smaller charts for a precision entry, which means pick a spot, a bull flag on the smaller chart to enter, but respect these coordinates on the 4-hour chart. This is what this trade requires. Okay, and let's move on to look at the other ones as well. All right, NASDAQ NQ is next. Very similar structure, a little bit deeper reach to the bottom here, but you can keep an eye on this as well, and let's see what happens on the open. The ES probably is a little better set up structurally. Let's look at the YM. Okay, this is an excellent volatility compression here, as you can see it on the 4-hour chart. One setup that we are very interested in always in trading. We look at the details, bottom tails, strong green candles, another bottom tail, any selling. Remember, each of these bottom tails at one point in time, this was a completely red, scary red candle. Buyers must have stepped up. Here's another bottom tail, and it's worth keeping an eye on this and pick a spot probably to enter on the smaller chart. Now, as you know, some of us are completely automated and relying on trade signals, and that's completely fine, BT or Pro STR. Some of us are more discretionary or semi-automated, which means we pick the spot, but once we're in the battle, we let the machine do the job. Okay, look at this beautiful target area on the weekly, by the way. Last but not least, let's look at the small caps. Here we go, 1R has been reached on the daily. There's another bull flag in the works on the 4-hour chart. No other. And of course, look at this. There's a nice target area here on the weekly chart. The RTY is worth our attention as well. Let's move on to currencies. Excellent opportunities in progress or coming up on currencies. We spoke about this a few times. I'm not going to repeat everything we said before. We are bullish on most major pairs. The 6E is in a wedge, expected to break to the upside. 6A is nicely, actually, has reached the 1R already, but I think there's more to go because you see the, first of all, the weekly and then the target area on the daily chart. Canadian dollar is moving up as well. Look at this. 1R from this trade, and there's another bull flag in the works. Previous high before us. Look at this beautiful bull flag on the weekly. Excellent. Okay, let's also move on to precious metals, which have shown lately. Look at this, 2R plus on gold. Remember when we were down here and we were watching this long entry? So hopefully you have at least a 1R, perhaps even more out of this trade. So these are coming to you on a silver platter. Actually, we're talking about silver right now. Look at this beautiful 2R plus trade. So we're shoveling money in your pockets, guys. Let's move on to some other markets here. I want to show you the soybeans, on which we have a nice bullish setup here. Look at this daily bull flag with a obvious, exactly just about 1R target area here. Beautiful. and the 4-hour is nicely moving out from this consolidation area. So very good start for a Tuesday after Labor Day. And also check out our specials. Make sure you're ready for the fall season, and make sure you're enabled yourself to make 2025 your best trading year yet. We're planning some new initiatives for premium members and also for the general public, basic members. And keep an eye on your emails. We'll be back in the morning, and until then, mindful trading.
If you like this type of content, I encourage you to check out our premium membership, especially the annual premium membership, which includes all our services as well as all our software. If you just want to purchase our software, you can do so in the shop as well. In either case, we hope to have you on board soon as we build our community of traders dedicated to trading excellence. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.